What's up, guys? I hope you're well. Today we're at Reynolds Ranch going for a hike. See you on the trail. Ooh. Yeah, I did it again. All right. The Josh and Tracy are up there. Nice. Like I said at the beginning of the last hike, it feels good to get out of the house. See how I feel in a little bit. Ooh. There we go. Hello. Ooh. Oh, what we got up here? Huh. Ah, service road. Ooh. Ah. All right. We are taking Raven's Roost. Heard there are really pretty views on this one. Ah, horse shit. Gotta keep pushing. Pushing it. It's been nothing but uphill so far. Ooh, buddy. Oof. Oh my gosh. Whew. Ooh, rocks. Oh my gosh, it just keeps up. Up. Oh my god. I should have gone to the gym on Thursday. I'm already gassed. I'm a little winded. We got pretty high. Excuse me. Parking lot's down there somewhere. Josh and Tracy are behind. I'm powering up this hill. Feels good, but I'm tired. Going down. I hear a river. Pretty. I don't think there's a waterfall on this trail, but could be. It feels good to be going down. All that uphill climbing and now finally coming down a little bit. I think we're going back up. We are over there. Wow. It's beautiful up here though. It's That's nice. Which way to go? I don't think down there is a good idea. I don't think that's right. Here we go. We're going down, down, down a little bit. But yeah, been on a hike for about an hour. Feels good, man. We're getting there. I heard there's a beautiful view at the end, so I look forward to seeing that hopefully soon. So far, this has been a pretty good hike. I did get winded a couple times. I know, kind of leaned against a tree for a minute at a time, but now I'm getting some speed. I'm getting some distance from my friends, so I need to probably hold up for them. But I'm enjoying my pace right now. Moss. Okay, I think we're almost to the top. Oh wow. Oh, wait till you see it. Hopefully this camera can pick up this view. And let's see. Ready? There. Made it to the summit. You know what that means. Cheers.
Like 10 degrees warmer, it'd be fucking awesome at the top.
2 hikes so far this year. 2 Bud Lights. Trail beer, gotta love it. See you on the way down. Oh no, the trail ended. Switch back. That was cool, going up to the top. Josh and Tracy are like, shut up, shut up. I'm like, what? They're like, deer. And I'm like, what? Showed you guys the deer. Really cool. Was not expecting to see any wildlife. And those deer are just chilling. I mean, we went up there and, you know, had our trail beer and basically, you know, one with the trees, one with the beer, and one with the deer. Remember when I was bitching and moaning on the way up? Yeah. Look, it's steep. It's steep. But we're almost back to the truck as I slide down the mountain. I better focus. All right, we made it to the bottom of the trail. Felt good to get out hiking again. Now onward to Prost Brewing Company to get some beer and food. Cheers. Made it to Prost. Yes. Got myself a nice Maybach. So good. I may get some dinner for lunch. I am starving.
Next up, Crystal Weissen.
That's good.
It schmeckt.
I like this one.
Oh, that's good. That's a good wheat beer.
You got a little flavor saver on your mustache.
Yeah, buddy.
Just let it can.
Alrighty, so we got some flies. We got some dunner, some flies, a nice pilsner. Very tasty. With that being said, I'm going to thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'm going to go home and take a nap. Bye.